Hello, friends. Welcome back to Fun with Phonics. Today's letter is a tricky one. It's small, it's powerful, and it makes two different sounds. Are you ready to meet the amazing letter? This is the letter X. Now, X is special because it likes to work with other sounds to make new ones. Let's go and see. Now, most of the time, when X is at the end or in the middle of a word, it makes the X sound, like box, boxes, and six. When X is at the beginning of a word, it likes to be quiet and buzzy, and it says the Z sound, like xylophone. Let's put our two X sounds in a silly sentence. A monkey played a xylophone while sitting on six boxes. Our X sound we find in the words six and boxes, and the silent Z sound we find in the word xylophone. If you want to learn more about the X rules, and have more fun, join our online book club and explore more silly sounds. You can check us out on our website at susandavis.academy or ask your mommy to send us an email to contact@susandavis.academy. See you in the next Fun with Phonics video. Bye bye.